Gentlemen, today we are going to jump straight into the market. It's a little afternoon. I got a couple trades still running. I've already bagged my profit for the day. But what I wanted to do was go ahead and take some time out to really point and go over the market cycles, okay, and how I use them to my advantage. All right, so take some time to get comfortable and check out this video. This video is going to be might be a little longer than the typical 10-15 minute analysis video, but it's definitely worth the watch. So just sit back and let me show you how I interpret the cycles in the market. In my opinion, the market cycle is best seen on the 1 hour chart. So in order to do so, I would simply just zoom out on the 1 hour chart and see if I'm able to see a trend pattern. Okay, like here. Here I see a trend pattern. Here I see consolidation after that trend pattern. So that tells me this was a cycle down. This was a reset. This is a potential level down. Okay, so here we got one level. Now, with this being so deep over these 3 days, we can see that there's two levels in here. There's just no retrace or consolidation in between level 2 and level 3. Alright, now right here, we can see that price reset right at level 2, level 1. Alright, now here we see price has dropped back down. One level, two levels in here, retrace, one level down. If you look in here, there's really only one dip to a low. Overall here. You wouldn't consider this one a level drop because there's no consolidation. There's no consolidation in here. The consolidation is right here. So this would be a level. So we can anticipate level 1, consolidation. Level 2, consolidation. Level 3. And then we'll begin to rise back up. Now if we come in here to the daily, this is what that will appear as. Let's do another one. Alright. I'm going to stay on the same pair. I'm just going to look for some more levels. Here's a daily 3-level pattern. This is the intraday. 3 levels, consolidation. Here's another intraday, 3 levels. The levels are going to come in different variations and begin with an M or W. level 3 begins level 1 on the reversal side. The reset comes here, either in between level 2 and 3 or level 1 and 2. Depends on how deep the retrace is. This retrace right here is likely going to be to the 38 or the 23. And it's to the 38. Alright, now if the retrace came down here to level 1, level 2, it would have been down here to 61. So your cycles will match up with Fibonacci's. So it's good to know cycles and Fibonacci. Let's look at the pound USD. Okay, we can clearly see some levels in here. But now, on this particular chart, the cycle is actually playing out on the higher time frame than the hour chart. But if we were to look here at the hour chart, we can see the levels here, clear as day. I really like the pound because it's easier to see the levels. Same with the Euro and the USD, JPY. So when you see these rallies and you see consolidation, just look back and identify what level you're in, and if you're in an up cycle or a down cycle. I like to use the moving average, the 21 moving average sometimes, because it helps me identify which way the level is actually going. Now you'll see levels on every time frame. The levels I trade, mostly doing intraday trading, going to be the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour. Also, let me clear these objects off. Ooh. So, looking at this Aussie USD, let's count the levels and see what level we're in. Let's start. Okay, also, you can also gauge your cycles by your trend, okay? For example, here we have consolidation. Okay, here we have consolidation. Right. Here we begin to see our lower lows. Okay? So already, right off the bat, I can tell you that this was the beginning of a cycle. Okay? Now let's see if we can count the levels in here. 1, 2, we're heading to level 3. Okay, 1, 2, and we're headed to level 3 down in here. Now, we can use our Fibonacci, pull it out here from this swing low to here. Change the color for you. right, so now looking at this, with the Fibonacci pulling from this swing high to this swing low to this swing high, we can look that level 3 should end roughly down here at the 161.8. It could extend as far as the 261, but we would need to see a larger time frame here to confirm that. So now looking here at this 4-hour chart on this Aussie USD, we can clearly see that this pattern in price action can formulate down there at the bottom of this cycle, down there at the 161.8, to complete this 3-level down cycle move. Also, the moving average confirms that. The moving average confirms that price is still in a downtrend, down cycle on the 4-hour chart. It confirms that price is now entering entering and beginning to expand into its level 3 on the 1 hour. The 30-minute, same thing. 15-minute, it's showing the crossover as well. Take a look at the USD CHF. Okay, here we can see 3 intraday levels. One, two, three intraday levels. So with that being said, tomorrow we can definitely expect a retest to this high before proceeding in the other direction. If you look at the daily, we can see we're in a breakout on the daily. We're above the moving average, so we are trending up. And if you look here, we zoomed out, we're likely coming out of level 3 on the CHF pair on the daily time frame. 1, 2, 3. This being level 3, now being level 1. Rise, consolidation. Level 2. And level 3. That would also take us, if we go from this high, that would take us into these Fibonacci points. Level 2 being at 38, level 3 coming all the way to the 61. We can also see how price is now pushing up above the moving average. Here's the Aussie still pushing down for us. Let's see what we got over here. I just entered these a moment ago, so I haven't fully extended. They're just really coming out of the spread. Take a look at the CAD. CAD had 3 levels up as well today. CAD hasn't yet extended to its 3rd level. We have 1, 2, 3 is coming. 3 could likely push into tomorrow. Tomorrow we could see a possible straightaway on the USD CAD. Now that's my perception of the market cycles and how I trade them. For more details, of course, just direct message me in the group if you are a VIP member. If you're not, you can still contact me via my social media. and we can get you squared away and set up to become a VIP member. I offer discounts and all types of things to work with different members on different financial needs. So just talk to me and let me see how I can help if you're interested in becoming a VIP member. Other than that, happy trading. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you took a lot of information from it. If you have any questions or concerns, please free to contact me or leave a comment or message attached to this video below. Happy trading.